Hello, today we will introduce the single display mode on the A36 Plus Max. To accommodate users unfamiliar with the dual display mode of the A36 Plus, we have introduced a single display mode in the A36 Plus Max version. You can now easily switch between single and dual display modes based on your preferences and needs.
Dual? Confirm.
To set single display mode, 1. Disable the dual watch function through menu item 18.
Confirm.
2. Enable single display mode through menu item 20 to display only one frequency or channel. Note, if the dual watch function is not turned off, the single display mode will not be effective. If the device name is not set, no name will be displayed. The device name can be set through menu item 55.
Menu.
By correctly setting the single display mode, you can ensure the walkie-talkie operation is simple and meets your needs. Thanks for watching. For more supporting, please visit support.talkpod.com.